I just want to know, does anyone know if you can freeze coconut milk? I open a can, I use like the top little creamy part for my oatmeal, and then over and over again, it all goes bad. I'd like to figure that one out. This is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com. Today's gonna be a little different than normally what I would be doing because I like to show the pretty parts of my house. But as you can see, we're gonna clean my house. I'm gonna show you 5 steps to get ready for company as fast as you can. So this is like an emergency situation. There are some cheater things you can pull. Let's say we've got people coming in 30 minutes. Normally, I would want like a full day, you know, to like wash the slip covers and scrub the floors and actually take the garbage out. But sometimes I don't get that. And this Christmas, I may not get this. So we've been sick all week and I'm suddenly like, oh my gosh, I've got all the family coming and I'm thinking about like all these shortcuts I could take. So I'm gonna be able to get more done than what I show in this video, but these are the things I do when someone's like, hey, I'm in your neck of the woods, I'll be there in like 20 minutes. And I go, oh my gosh, kids! And this is what we do. Number 1, light a candle. So if there's any food smells, if there's any garbage smells, pets, kids, you know. We're gonna go ahead and get that work done while we work on the other messes. Light a few candles and let's go. Number 2. We are going to deal with the clutter. Now, there's going to be some rooms that your guests aren't going to be going into, hopefully. So let's start with the kitchen here. We are going, and you want to stand at your kitchen, whatever room you're working in, look around and go, oh my gosh, what is the most embarrassing thing? Okay, for me it's that compost over there. It's the garbage. Okay, I've got packaging, I've got like dirty dishcloth here, food, like containers that are open. I'm gonna deal with that stuff first. Okay, ready? Okay, it does count as tidying if you throw things in the sink. If you don't have time to do the dishwasher, which I don't have at this point, I think it's fine to put stuff in the sink. Here's what I do with pieces like, you know, this pan and this griddle that's dirty. I either am gonna hide this in my laundry room or I'm putting it in my oven. Just leave yourself a note that there's stuff in there before you preheat. Number 3, grab your laundry baskets and dump the laundry out of them if you have to. I just dump all my girls' laundry on their beds. These are your best friends right now. You're gonna grab a basket and all the clutter, don't worry about where it goes, okay? Just throw it in the basket. Run around, grab stuff, anything that does not belong in this room. Okay, we got all the clutter put away. We put all the baskets upstairs. Out of sight, out of mind, we'll deal with it later. Now, we're down to, what, 10 minutes left? Do your floors and your candles. Horizontal surfaces are more important than vertical surfaces at this point. So, do what you can with the broom, with the spray bottle. Let's see what we can do. All right, as I'm going along, you may have noticed I'm closing doors. Don't worry about what's going on inside the TV armoire. Don't worry about the kids' toys. Just start shutting the drawers and the doors and the cupboards. I'm not worried about spots on my slipcovers. I'm not worried about tears in my slipcovers. I'm covering them with blankets and pillows and we're moving on. That deep cleaning is for another day, not today. Also, if I'm super rushed, I'll skip the vacuuming and I'll sweep, depending on what you have for your flooring, I'll sweep the carpet. That's okay in a moment like this. Okay, and number 5, hit a bathroom that the guest may be using, and if all you have time for is just throw the clutter in the bathtub and swoosh out the toilet, you go for it. Okay, we got toilet paper, we got a hand towel, I can take the garbage out, and then this is good enough. Oh hey guys, yeah sure, come on in.